The gray cat really just witnessed a complete 404 error in real time and decided it was best not to get involved. Exact moment the free chin scratches trial subscription expires and you are hit with the full price attitude. The beat drops but you have no rhythm and even less hand-eye coordination. The moment you realize your cat has the parkour skills of a toasted marshmallow. She really thought she was doing something until the curtains in physics. Your foster application said you were good with kids, but you didn't read the fine print about the species or the quantity. The door for a second and now I am the accidental leader of a tiny orange cult. They do not want my soul, they only want my snacks. Would you like me to help you brainstorm a few more captions for this video? You think you're the main character, but the ginger cat decides to audition for a stunt double role mid-ride. 1 minute you're posing for a cute equestrian photo and the next you're being hunted by a 5-pound tiger. Someone tell this cat that horseback riding is not a team sport. The lag is so bad your reflection forgets to follow you out of the room.
У нас какой зверь в клубнике завелся. Пускай поест. Смотри-ка, да? Интересно.
Потолок не рвите, кошку точнее. А, все.
Да, Алиса, можешь не держать потолок. Держи кошку.
Подожди, нет. Позови ее. Она, если ее начнешь тянуть, она когти сейчас.
Ага.
I asked for a Christmas tree and the universe sent me a divine being who will definitely not.
他看到我撇他，他都出来了。
You realize your relaxing spa day was just a clever trap to get you into the bathtub.
Здравствуйте. Вы ждете, пока вас достанут из ванны?
Slow motion realization when you remember you left the oven on, but then remember you're a cat and don't even know what an oven is.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Ginger cat is definitely checking his own bank account to see if he can afford that premium. You try to land one solid punch, but your opponent. You are too hungry for physics and decide to just eat the vending machine. The moment you realize the human forgot to put the snack inside the giant piñata. Convinced my last 2 brain cells are just these tigers trying to figure out how gravity works. One's doing the heavy lifting while the other just stands there. The water is too far, but your human is a high-quality hydration.
Oh, hello, puppy.
I asked my cat to help me with my screen time and he took his job way too seriously. You are trying to stay mad at someone, but they are actually kind of funny and you can feel your soul starting to crack. Your cat decides that the gift for the day isn't a mouse, but your favorite left slipper. The heist was planned, the execution was flawless, and the escape is currently in progress. I guess I'm walking. Physics engine in this house is definitely broken. We have successfully reached the ceiling, but we still have no plan for the gecko or the inevitable descent. It is not a swarm, it is a feline vertical launch failure in progress. Moment when the intrusive thoughts win and you realize curiosity didn't just kill the cat, it launched it into the next dimension. You were trying to act cool in the sun, but the sneeze finally wins. Reach the final level of being a house cat and realize there are no more snacks left to conquer.
Sorry, Sissy.
Are you okay, baby?
Your mom hires a professional trainer, but the trainer is also currently grounded.
Just woke up from a nap. Want to say good morning?
You try to go in for the kiss, but he realizes you haven't filled the food bowl yet. The side eye is loud. You're trying to enjoy a peaceful spa day, but the paparazzi won't stop filming your...
No.
The local Sandhill Cranes realize they both wore the same outfit to the neighborhood association meeting and things get awkward real fast. Would you like me to help you brainstorm some more drama-filled captions for these birds?
Yo, you guys good?
He wants to be boxing.
What are we doing? Oh my god, what is wrong with him?
Te preocupas, es que claro, si pasa mucho tiempo.
Cat really thought we were sharing until the trash panda pulled the ultimate hit and run. You have 18 toes but still can't figure out how to pick up a single piece of cheese. Professional baker by birth, amateur eater by choice. This kitten is currently lagging at 200 milliseconds ping in real life. You wake up and remember all the embarrassing things you did yesterday within a 5-second window. Newest Peloton model is looking a little weird and keeps asking for tuna. 10 out of 10 for cardio, but he still hasn't figured out how to... You are trying to be supportive, but you have absolutely no idea what the problem is. Your DIY spa day is literally just a wall of brushes and a dream. Convinced this pony is 1 inch away from starting a car wash business. Local Broom Hockey League is off to a chaotic start and the defense has absolutely no idea what they are doing. Parkour is all about commitment until the laws of physics remember you exist. Tell your cat just one bite, but they decide to become the vacuum cleaner from the underworld. It is no longer his catnip, it is his lifestyle. Honestly, I have never seen someone more committed to the sauce than this feline right here. He is not just smelling the flowers, he is trying to become the entire garden. Would you like me to come up with some funny hashtags to go with this?
Huh? Huh?
The scent of that 12-hour shift finally hits you and your soul briefly leaves your body. That moment when you realize you are not actually a parkour master. You're the third wheel, but you've managed to make it everyone's problem.
Oh, there's a little baby at the back. Invítala a jugar.
You try to act tough until you realize your opponent has 9 lives and 0 fears. Cat is currently downloading a software update and it appears to have crashed. Moment when you realize the intrusive thoughts won and now you have to face the consequences. The accountant is really talented, but he gets incredibly defensive the moment I question his math. Cat just found out that some cucumbers can fight back. The recipe calls for a pinch of paprika, but you only speak in chaos.